Welcome home to the Boston, 3 beds, 3 baths, 1,430 square feet, 2-car attached garage, and patio for outdoor space as well as a front porch. All right, here we are in the Boston model. We have luxury vinyl floors throughout. Living room is pre-wired for surround sounds and high-speed internet. You have storage there on that door on the left, upgraded kitchen, upgraded quartz countertops. Gray and tone cabinets also have a gray tone to them. All appliances are included, and yes, that is a gas stove there. Backsplash has been updated. There's our dishwasher, and the sink as well as the faucet has been updated. Those doors lead to your patio. The door on the left is your garage door. The door right here, closest to you on your right, is your pantry. And the living room is pre-wired for a ceiling fan. As we head upstairs, the first door here on the left is your bathroom. Bathroom number one, luxury vinyl floors. They will install a mirror. Also, you're going to notice all blinds are also included, and you do have upgraded doors as well as closet doors. This home is truly move-in ready for you to unpack and enjoy. As we head upstairs, this door here on the left is actually the washer and dryer, which is included. Here's bedroom number one, pre-wired for a ceiling fan. The carpet has a brown tone to it. Those are your upgraded closet doors. As you can see, this layout is slightly different than the Chicago. Bathroom number two is there on the right. Bedroom number two, pretty close to the same size as the first bedroom. Again, upgraded closet doors, pre-wired for ceiling fan. Plenty of light coming into this home. Now we're going to head to the primary suite. First stop is your walk-in closet with room for additional shelving. Good amount of windows. The largest window there actually face west. Plenty of space on that wall to mount your TV. And that wall is also prepped for internet already. Upgraded bathroom, luxury vinyl floors, upgraded countertops, cabinets, upgraded shower. You do have to install the shower door. They will install the mirrors above the sink. This is the Boston.